There's three things that keep me happy. That's food, peace, shopping, and more specifically, good food, peace of mind, and affordable shopping. I have a few items from Shopee, which I call the Southeast Asian Amazon, and Amazon itself. And I say, why not unbox? I even forget what I have, but we're gonna see today. So join me as we unbox. Let's get started. These will be the orders. We have Shopee orders all on the ground, all from Shopee delivered here in the province. And these are from Amazon. These two white packages right here, delivered by LBC. All right. I'm excited. Ooh. All right. So what I did was I opened up all the packages first. So now all I have to do is reach in something, take it out. Let's go from left to right. This box right here. This box has inside chicharrones. Bestseller, no preservatives, no vetsin, crunchylicious Celardania D. I think it's 10 of these in here. I'm going to have some for myself, give some out to people in the neighborhood so they can have something to enjoy. Do you remember eating pork skins yourself? Oh my goodness, this is delicious. In fact, I'm going to have one for me right now. Smells like pork skin. Goodness gracious. All right, so it's crunchy. It's crunchy on the outside, and there's a soft piece on the inside. Crunchy texture on the outside. This is also crispy on the inside, but it's a little soft. Soft like bread. I gotta have another one. Okay. Goodness gracious. That is delicious. So, crunchy-licious. If you're in the Philippines, or you have access to Shopee, and you want something that is delicious, that's worthy, that's recommendable, sellers Danya D, type in chicharron bagnet, and there you go. You might close your eyes and just be in heaven just like I was. 10 of these packages. No need to see all 10. All right. Let's move to the next. This right here. These right here are something that I order all the time, repetitively. Oat side milk. Milk made from oats. Or let's read the ingredients. Oat base, water, oats, canola oil, acidity regulator, some other scientific stuff that I don't know how to pronounce, but let's try. Dipotassium phosphate, calcium carbonate, sea salt, oat content. I can't pronounce it. Yeah. Oat side. I use this with oatmeal. I use this with cereal. And I drink it right out the cup. It's delicious. And that's what these packages are. The ones that look like wrapped up bricks. outside. Again, if you have access to Shopee and you want some outside, it is recommendable. Let's move to the next. This package right here. This is a jersey. We're not going to get into whether it's real or not. We're just going to get into it's here. And I wanted it. And I like to look for the jerseys that have the letters separated when it's not. We are getting into it. This isn't real. And when I don't buy a real jersey, I like to get the jerseys where the letters are separated because it just looks more, it looks better. So there we go, Dwayne Wade, Miami jersey. And this is how you know that it's not real when you go to the bag, and then it has this extra material on it that you'd have to tear off. In fact, let's do it right now. If you don't do that before you put it in the washer, it's just going to be a bunch of lint everywhere. So I'm super excited to have this. Another jersey to complement my jersey and corduroy shorts style that I acquired here because I had a baby. The baby wears rib clothing. I said, wow, that looks pretty cool. I want some rib clothing. I said, what's rib for adults? Corduroys. And then that's why I'm here today. Almost every day wearing corduroy shorts and basketball jerseys. On to the next. Just more jerseys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Gary Payton from the old team, Seattle Supersonics. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Not real, but real enough for me. All right. Put that to the side and go on to the next. One of my favorite players, not growing up, but watching highlights of, is Larry Bird. I used to collect basketball cards, so I knew of players of the past, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. And even if I didn't get to watch them play, I know what they did for the basketball game. And Larry Bird is a past basketball player I have to represent. And this is a wonderful jersey, dry fit, with some information on the front. And the first jersey I have with the name on the bottom instead of the top. And on the inside, a little bit better. Nothing to rip off. Okay, let's move to the next. This jersey is interesting. Hi, my name is Slim Shady. Slim Shady, Eminem jersey. I don't know the history behind this. I don't know why, but I know it's here and I have it. It's available. Check that out. Would you get that also? Okay, moving to the next. I'm from America, and I have some cravings. And I can satisfy those cravings on Shopee. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. When's the last time you had this? Delicious. So good. Had to get 2 boxes. And in each box, there's 2 bags. Not done yet. That's sweet, but I want some sweet cereal that's also kind of healthy. That's where Honey Nut Cheerios comes in. Just to give me a little reminder to calm down, remember my health. Okay, that was this big box. We only have 2 more packages left. Okay. Already open. See how smooth this is? Like I was saying, I was into basketball cards, and I would learn of basketball players of the past. And this jersey is an official jersey of a basketball player from the past. Can you guess who this is? Let's do a turnaround. Elgin Baylor, Los Angeles Lakers. Now that's an official. Size extra large. Wonderful looking jersey. And I got a chance to watch his highlights. And I even have some basketball games where he's on the legendary teams. And if you select Elgin Baylor and you play with him, just drive to the lane with the turbo on and then see what happens to your opponent guarding you. Slam, dunk. Reminds me of like Vince Carter dunks. So his highlights and the playability that he has in the game, I bought the jersey. Oh gosh, I'm sweating. Last bag. Already open, easy access, modified unboxing. These are watches. I've always been a gambling man. Low risk, high reward. And these watches, oh my goodness. Once I saw what it looked like, I just had to get it. Check this out. Beautiful color. Would you get this? Would you get this? Let me tell you something. I like this so much. I got every single color that they had available, which was only 2 available. Let me just put this down slowly. Almost look the same. Okay. I ran out of memory, so there was a little slip up there. So the second watch, or is it the first? They almost look the same. They both have the same. Show the ball that spins, and if it's not close enough, let me bring it closer. If it's not fully visible, ouch, on the screen, basically one is gold, a golden rim, and then the other one is a bronze colored rim or outer layer. So I got both. Beautiful. And Would you get it? Just look on Amazon. Look up the brand, which is Liga, and then put casino watch. And then you'll find the variations that they have. And then maybe you can be like me or better. I'm very interested. Oh gosh. What's in this package? This will be the last thing. No more unboxing. Jeez, that's a lot of sweat. Wow. What comes inside is an international guarantee card. Problem and solution on the back. A microfiber cleaning cloth. And a booklet. Tell you more about it. Beautiful watch. And everything that I purchased here was affordable, at least affordable to me. Thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure. Bye for now. And if you can't tell already, Philippines is hot. So be prepared.